Taurus in love. Your lover must approach you properly in order to win your heart. You love good cooking and fine wine. The way to your heart is definitely through your stomach. You are turned off by individuals who exaggerate or color the truth. You like to be admired and will respond if your lover is encouraging. Your connection to someone born under the same sign as yourself or one of the remaining 11 signs is as follows. Taurus and Aries. This union is better as a hot, passionate affair. Your possessiveness will cramp the Aries' free-loving nature. Taurus and Taurus. Not bad sexually, however this union is somewhat dull in other areas of life. You will have a tendency to grow fat together. Visualize two couch potatoes eating in front of the television. Taurus and Gemini. Gemini's lack of respect for possessions and stability will drive you up a wall. You aren't spontaneous enough for the versatile twin. Not really a likely combination. Taurus and Cancer. Good partnership. You will enhance one another. You offer the crab the necessary security, and in return you receive the affection and loyalty you desire. Taurus and Leo. This is not only an unlikely connection, but one that is built on deception. If your financial position is good, you will attract the lion. However, this partner will want the freedom to roam. Taurus and Virgo. Problems usually arise in the bedroom. However, in all other areas you and your Virgoin will do remarkably well. You are both practical and hard-working. Taurus and Libra. Compromise is necessity if you want this union to work. Your Libran mate will be far too indecisive for you, and you lack the sophistication that the scales demand in a partner. Taurus and Scorpio. Polarity attraction, sexually dynamic. However, you are both fixed signs that can cause difficulties. Your stubbornness and the Scorpion's jealousy will result in a no-win situation. Taurus and Sagittarius. This combo is better left as friends. The archer likes to gamble, free-spirited, and taking each day as it comes. You, on the other hand, could never live without routine and would frown up the Sagittarian's irresponsibility. Taurus and Capricorn. This is not a bad alliance as you both have the same interests where money, possessions, and security are concerned. The biggest drawback is the old all work and no play syndrome. Taurus and Aquarius. You are both fixed signs with a totally different concept of life. The water bearer is too much of a loner and you always want to own or possess your partner. Taurus and Pisces. This combination can work, however the fish lack practicality, which can be a deterrent for you. On the other hand, your Pisces mate may leave if you become too domineering.